guys, welcome back to SSBeauty's YouTube channel. I am Leena.
I'm Resham and Aishwarya, and today we're doing a really fun get ready with us, but with a twist. So Resham, what's the twist?
So you guys see this one makeup bag here? We're all gonna use it to do our everyday routines that we normally do before coming to office.
Oh my god, that's going to be a challenge because all of us have different skin types, different skin tones, but it's gonna be really fun.
And also different makeup styles.
Oh yeah.
But that's what this video is about. We're gonna show them our routines, what makes it easier for us to get to office, all of our tricks and tips to rush out the house.
Yes.
So yeah, let's get started. Let's go.
Because I knew I just did this.
It was good.
So excited to look inside the bag.
So first things first, foundation. We have the Super Stay Lumi-Matte foundation. So guys, that is the other twist. We are making looks that we normally wear to office, but with a red lip.
I think it's perfect for me because I'm doing a festive look.
I'm kinda worried, but I think we can do it. I can do it. I don't know about you guys. So let's just get started with our makeup look.
Yeah,
Super excited.
go.
So usually I just put on my sunscreen and step out because I'm a skincare girly. Since today it's an occasion, I will do a quick festive makeup look. The first step is just spot concealing. I go in with a little bit of concealer and correct some spots. So my next step is blush, and I like a sheer coverage blush because I can blend it up and it's mess free. So the most important step of this routine is this Kajal, and honestly this Bobbi brown Kajal is amazing. It stays in its place and it's super pigmented. So I usually notice the Kajals transfer a lot, but this Bobbi brown Kajal stays put. So now to complete this look, I will curl my lashes and put a lot of mascara. The last step is this tricky red lip. I usually just throw all my lipstick in my bag and use them on the go. But since today it's a red lip, I have to use the liner and the lipstick properly. So this is my festive look. But wait, there's always time for some highlighter. Now the look looks complete. Goodbye.
Okay, so I've already moisturized and primed my face. So let's start with the foundation. For that, I'm using this Maybelline foundation, which is amazing. Okay, so even though it is an everyday makeup look, I'm going to use a full coverage foundation because I do travel and train and I need my makeup to stay. Okay, so while I'm blending my foundation, I take my finger and just pull my eye a little bit so that the foundation doesn't settle in the creases. Also, I generally do not have a lot of time in the morning, so I usually skip either foundation or concealer, and it's gonna be concealer today. So let's move on to powder. Okay, so I usually use like 7 layers of powders every day because I have super oily skin and I do travel, so I need my makeup to stay in place. Okay, so I'm done with the powder. Now let's move on to my most favorite part, blush. So I am a blush girly through and through. I cannot do without blush. Okay, so I have a really cool hack for you guys. So if you apply too much blush, what you can do is you can take either your foundation brush or your powder brush, and without taking any excess product, you can just dab it on your blush and your blush will look very cute, very natural, very snatched. So yeah. Okay, so my base makeup is done. Let's move on to eyes. Now this is a really fun part because I just use one product everywhere. So this is Maybelline's Brown Kajal. I literally use it everywhere. Now let's just line our waterline with it first. This just adds depth to your look and it also makes my brown eyes pop. So this kajal comes with a smudger, so I'm going to use that to smudge out my lash line. Okay, so my eye makeup is done, but we're not done with this kajal yet. So I'm going to use the same kajal on my eyebrows because it's brown. So yeah, it's perfect. Now I'm going to use a light hand because it is pigmented, but you can just use your spoolie to blend it out. Now it's a red, so I'm kind of skeptical because I'm doing like an everyday makeup look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some lipstick on the back of my hand, take some lipstick on your fingers, you just blend it out a little bit and then you just dab it on your lips. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup look and this was my everyday casual makeup look and it has turned out really well and it took me like 15 minutes, but I think it was worth it. Bye!
So welcome to my version of the get ready with me. I am going to be creating a look that's like for meeting days or days where I have to go to events after work or go to the mall for one of our pop-up stores. Something is always happening and I normally take 10 to 15 minutes unless we're filming, but I'm gonna get started. On a regular basis, I probably go in with my concealer first because I just want to get like my base even out. I'm gonna go in with my fingers just to make it all blend in really fast. Normally my contour already has a little bit of coverage built into it. So we just go in with the darker Conceal and Correct palette, because this way I don't have to grab a lot of products or look for a lot of products. And I need definition. It's my main requirement. So today, since I'm going for a more full coverage look, I am going to go in with my foundation. Otherwise, I would probably just go in with that concealer in the areas that I wanted a little bit more coverage. But this is just going to be faster and get a little bit more space on my face. And basically, this is just going to get rid of any of my harsh lines from my bronzer and stuff. So this is it for my base for the main part, and this is where most of my time goes. I just spent like the whole 5 minutes doing my mascara. So once these 4 steps are done, I am normally running out the door, and if I have a couple extra minutes and like my cat's still on the way or something, I'll quickly like define my eyes. So I'll use the same Kajal that Aishwarya used everywhere, and I will just like fill right behind my lash line to just make it look a lot fuller. And if I had extra time, I would go in with a little bit of bronzer. And since I might like head to an event or something, the red lip works out perfectly. And also this way, I don't have to define my lips. I can get like more of that like blurred lines kind of look. And it just looks a lot more softer and put together. So this is my look done. Like this is what I would normally do, and I would probably not have more time after this. But since I'm just showing you guys a tutorial, I would lastly just go in with a little bit of highlighter. So this is it for my final look.
And yeah, this was it for the video. Honestly, all of our looks have turned out really well.
Agree.
Yes.
If you guys enjoy watching this video, then give it a big like, comment down below on what you want to see next, subscribe to SSBeauty, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!